Welcome to Entrepreneurial Edge. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury spices. We're talking about the most expensive spices on this planet. Hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating content. First up, saffron, the king of spices, fetching up to $5,000 per pound. Saffron comes from a crocus flower, each producing just 3 tiny stigmas. You need about 88,000 flowers to produce 1 pound of saffron. It's a nightmare to harvest, which is why it's so expensive. The flavor and aroma are unparalleled, earthy, floral, slightly sweet. It adds a beautiful golden hue to dishes. Just a pinch can elevate your cooking to Michelin star quality. Next, vanilla, the seductive siren of the spice world. Real high-quality vanilla pods, straight from the orchid, are a different story. Most of the world's vanilla comes from Mexico and Madagascar. Vanilla orchids need to be hand-pollinated, a delicate and time-consuming process. The curing process takes months to develop those rich, complex flavors. Real vanilla can cost anywhere from $50 to $200 per pound. So next time you enjoy real vanilla ice cream, appreciate the labor of love. It's bloody delicious. Cardamom, the queen of spices. This little green pod, hailing from the lush forests of southwestern India, packs a powerful punch in both flavor and aroma. It's now mostly grown in Guatemala, where the climate is perfect for its cultivation. Treasured for centuries, cardamom has a rich history. Cardamom comes in 2 main varieties, green and black. Green cardamom is the more expensive, and is often considered superior due to its intense flavor. It has a warm, slightly sweet, citrusy flavor that can elevate both sweet and savory dishes. You'll find it in everything from the rich, aromatic Indian curries to the delicate, spiced pastries of Scandinavia. Beyond the kitchen, cardamom is also a medicinal powerhouse. It aids digestion, fights infections, and is even used in traditional medicine. Next time you're under the weather, reach for some cardamom tea. Its soothing properties can help alleviate symptoms and provide comfort. Clove, the mighty flower bud. These little guys, native to Indonesia, are the dried flower buds of the clove tree. The clove tree, with its evergreen leaves and aromatic flowers, is a true marvel of nature. Cloves are now grown in places like Zanzibar, Madagascar, and Sri Lanka. These regions provide the perfect climate for clove cultivation, ensuring a steady supply of this precious spice. They have a warm, intense, slightly sweet flavor. This unique taste makes them a favorite in both sweet and savory dishes around the world. Cloves are packed with antioxidants and have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Their health benefits are numerous and well documented. They help with everything from toothaches to blood sugar regulation. The natural compounds in cloves can provide relief and promote overall well-being. Next time you're feeling under the weather, brew yourself a cup of clove tea. This simple remedy can soothe your throat and boost your immune system. It's like a warm hug for your insides. The comforting aroma and taste of clove tea can make you feel cozy and cared for, no matter the season. A cinnamon more than just a trendy challenge. This fragrant bark, harvested from the cinnamomum tree, has been warming our hearts and homes for centuries. Its rich aroma and unique flavor have made it a staple in kitchens around the world. Grown primarily in Sri Lanka, India, and Indonesia, Ceylon cinnamon is considered the highest quality. Its delicate, sweet flavor sets it apart from other varieties. Cinnamon is incredibly versatile, used in both sweet and savory dishes. From classic cinnamon rolls to exotic Middle Eastern dishes, it enhances the taste of countless recipes. It adds depth and complexity to curries, stews, and even cocktails. Imagine a warm, cinnamon-infused stew on a cold day or a refreshing cinnamon cocktail on a summer evening. Beyond its culinary uses, cinnamon is packed with antioxidants and has numerous health benefits. It's a natural anti-inflammatory and can help fight infections. It's linked to blood sugar control and improved brain function. Studies suggest that cinnamon can help manage diabetes and enhance cognitive performance. Remember, it's not just a spice, it's a lifesaver. Its transformative power goes beyond the kitchen, making it an essential part of our health and well-being. So there you have it, the top 5 most expensive spices in the world. From labor-intensive saffron to hand-pollinated vanilla, these spices are a testament to nature's power. We hope you enjoyed learning about these luxurious spices. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new, and subscribe to Entrepreneurial Edge. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep spicing up your life.